cops catch me, they're gonna impound my bike.
Good morning, Internet. Welcome to another adventure. Today, I'm with the Kleb. How are you today, sir?
Beautiful.
Kleb, you know where we're going to today?
Taco Bell.
We're not going to Taco Bell, although we'll probably wind up there anyway for hot sauce. No, we're going to a place today called Shabu Shabu.
I used to live there.
Have you ever had shabu before?
No.
Basically, we're going to a Japanese restaurant where we're going to cook our meat with hot water. Kleb, what are you riding today?
Today we got the Benelli TNT 135 with the lion right there.
That line makes all the difference.
Safe for our fire sauce.
So
we can handle that mountain right there.
I bet it could.
Give it a shot of root.
You almost made it. Aren't you worried about snakes?
What?
What happened? I already told you we're gonna have some shabu, but that's actually relatively kind of close to where we're at. So we have a little bit of time to kill. Good job, Prius. Do you do any damage to it?
Yeah, I'm kind of pissed about it. There's a couple scratches.
Oh man, SSR is not going to be pleased. Kind of a neat little bike. So some of you guys are aware that California's experiencing a lot of fires. Well, one of the fires started right around here. I think we should try to get back there and see where the fire started. The fire was initially started right down the street from me. In fact, some of the previous videos where I'll take my bike to Holy Gym, that's actually where the fire started, and they call it the Holy Fire. What is this guy doing? Did I mention to you guys yet that some asshole started the fire? Yeah, dude, some crazy bastard. Hope that dude rots in hell, man. That's no good. Up a lot of things up here, and I can only imagine how much these fires are costing the state. In fact, 3 days ago they finally declared a state of emergency for California. Yeah, man, one asshole. I bet he was a Prius driver. The last few days Holy Gym has been blocked off, obviously. Well, now that they got half the fire contained, maybe it's not blocked off anymore. Also, I'm pretty sure the fire has moved far away from wherever it started initially, so we'll see. I'm gonna take this moment right here to thank all the Patreons of this channel. You guys know who you are, man. Thank you so much. In fact, instead of just highlighting the top 3 Patreons, I'm just gonna put you all in a video. Yeah, it helps out so much, so for sure. Why is this car going so slow? Is it a Prius? I don't think we're gonna get in. I think they still have a cop there. There is. Shit. Want to try anyway?
Yeah, my bad. I just don't have plates. I don't want to go near them.
Let's go up here and try to sneak in.
If the cops catch me, they're going to impound my bike.
If we wanted to, I believe we could definitely get in through here.
The cops are right there. You don't think they'll fucking hear us? Are you crazy?
The police. Let's go eat. Bummer. Anyway, so that's where the Holy Gym fire was started. Some dude that lived back there started the fire. He was all pissed off at somebody. Apparently he lived in like this little compound with like a whole bunch of other little cabins. All the other cabins around his cabin burned down. What a dick, huh? Fuck that guy. All right, let me tell you a little bit about the place that we're going to today. There's not much really to talk about, so bear with me. Earlier I said the place is called Shabu Shabu because for years that's what it was called, and that's what I knew it as. Today when I finally decided to look the place up, it wasn't called Shabu Shabu anymore. Now it's called Shabusa Japanese Restaurant. So I don't know why they changed the name. Hopefully it's all the same, just a different name. As far as I can tell, this place has been around since 2006. It's got lots of really great reviews, and it's considered one of the better shabu restaurants in the area. You want to know what shabu means? Okay, I got conflicting shit here too. From what I understand, shabu means to cook in boiling water. And then I saw that shabu shabu means swoosh swoosh, as in you're swishing your food around this boiling water to cook it. I don't know which is the right one. Anyone Japanese watching this video, feel free to let me know, man. This place is in Mission Viejo, California, which is actually pretty close to where we're at right now. And as I previously stated, I've known about this place forever. One of the reasons why we're going to this place is because of all the reviews that I've read based around the owner. Yes, apparently the owner, she'll come out and do shots with you. She just wants to ensure that you're having a good time. They call her Hot Mama. She likes to drink, apparently. And I like to drink. And the club likes to drink. And I like to eat, so it just makes sense that that's where we're going to today. It's probably going to be a super short video, so I do apologize. I don't feel like riding around in circles all day and not being able to get on the freeway because of this little bike. I feel like I'm riding in slow motion. Anyone watching this video have any experience on a Benelli 135? It does suck. Yeah, sorry for the slow video, man. Nothing is happening. Hopefully the food's good, right? That could be a big positive. Closed.
I guess we're doing the pizza challenge again, right next door.
The bummer part, I looked online and it said it opened at 11. So dreams come true for you. We can't eat here. Let's just do Taco Bell.
Yes! Let's go.
What are we doing? I'm so bummed. This video is a fail. What a fail. To wind up at Taco Bell. That sucks. Sorry guys, this video is all screwed up. I tried.
I like riding dirt bikes way better. This is boring.
At least today's gonna be cheap. Taco time.
Taco Gym Association and learning some. Look at those two little buses. Unfortunately for you, everything's got meat in it. Nothing vegan today. You're probably just not going to be able to eat anything, honestly. So.
Alright, Taco Bell. What'd you think?
Honestly, man, I love Portuguese food, but I was still a little skeptical seeing this was my first time eating here.
Yeah.
After trying a couple bites of that taco pie, man, I loved it, and I'll be back in 14 seconds.
Out of everything that we got today, what was your favorite?
I really like the Chalupa Supreme.
You know what? This is the one time when I ask you if you'll be back and you're like, I'll be back for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. This is the one time I believe you.
Let's go back in right now. Come on.
Oh, no. And with that, I'm going to go ahead and end this video. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't yet, subscribe. Make sure you check out SuburbanDelinquent.com. Get all the latest and greatest. Big shout out to all the Patreons of the channel. You guys make it all worth it. Thanks for helping offset some of the costs in the channel that we acquire. Huge shout out to the channel sponsors. We got Chaparral Moto, the law offices of Henry Haddad. Seriously, if you guys need a lawyer, man, he's your man. And Voss Helmets, keeping our lids safe. Okay, later.
What?
We're done.
This video is funny.
This video is stupid.
I know it is. Fraud.
I apologize. I apologize to you guys for a short video.
That's a good looking Insight right there.
That's a stupid car. It looks like it's Honda's version of a Prius, isn't it?
Hey, Dino, that's a good looking Insight you got right there. I said that's a nice looking Insight you got. got right there. Oh, thanks, man. You're welcome. I've only 14